cool 10-card dash cams you can try now. Number 1. APEMAN Dash Cam. This car dash cam covers all the basics and is our pick for best dash cam option under $50. The camera lens records 1080p video footage and audio in a continuous loop recording on a 32GB micro SD card. The camera's ultra-wide-angle lens gives a great field of view and detects and saves footage of car collisions automatically. Number 2. Nextbase 522GW Dash Cam. This camera's 1440p resolution produces the sharpest video we've seen. The 522GW is also very easy to use, and it's one of the few cameras that can summon emergency aid after a crash. Number 3. PAPAGO GoSafe S810 Sony Sensor Dash Cam. If you want to record incidents behind your vehicle as well as in front of it, we recommend that you use a dual cam model, which includes a second camera that's mounted to the rear window. For about half the price or less, you can get the PAPAGO GoSafe S810. Number 4. Vantrue N2 Pro. The N2 Pro's 2 cameras record the road ahead as well as the interior of the car. The passenger camera has better nighttime clarity than similar models we've tested. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini. If you prefer a dash cam that people likely won't notice, we recommend the Garmin Dash Cam Mini, which is one of the smallest and most discreet models we've tested. Number 6. Vantrue T2 24/7 Recording Dash Cam. The T2 uses a capacitor instead of a lithium battery to provide the widest operating temperature range of any affordable model we've tested. Number 7. Thinkware F800 PRO 2. This car camera has no screen. Instead, you use Wi-Fi and its app on your smartphone as its interface. Number 8. Vantrue X4 UHD 4K Dash Cam. The Vantrue X4 has a night vision and a true 4K sensor for full 4K capture of footage at up to 30 frames per second. Number 9. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. 4K Ultra HD recording. Built-in Wi-Fi. Dash cam with GPS. Number 10. Thinkware Sports N1 Dash Cam for motorcycle. It's different from dash cams designed for a car, as the design of the cameras is intended to make it a good dash cam for motorcycles and apps.